Hi there, Guillaume from Groovin here, and in this video we are going to see how you can create an Attio workflow that's going to update your guild status automatically based on your LinkedIn actions. So let's have a look at the starting point. So here I have a demo pipeline in which I have several stages, the first one being to reach out, and we are going to build a workflow that's going to automatically move the card to the next stage, reached out, as I send an invite to the associated people record in Attio. So I already have Jamie as a people record in Attio, and if we have a look at her profile, as you can see, I'm not connected with her, and the synchronization of my messages is off, but that's fine actually, because Groovin is going to run in the background, and as I will send my invite to Jamie, this is going to automatically populate some of the additional attributes that Groovin brings to Attio. And as I will send my invite, this is going to update the last LinkedIn invite sent at and the last LinkedIn invite sent by attributes in Attio. So let's go ahead and build this workflow. We are going to create a new one and the state last step. Okay, so first we are going to trigger with an updated attribute. It's a people attribute, and we are going to look at last LinkedIn invite sent at. Then we want to filter to make sure that the reduce value was empty. And we are going to find the corresponding record. So in my example, I'm using deals, objects to manage my pipeline. But if you're managing a list of companies or a list of people, then you would use find list entry to find the corresponding lead. So in our case, we are going to look for deals, and the condition is that the associated people should contain the record with which the workflow started. So this is going to yield a list of items. In our case, given the nature of this workflow, the list is only going to contain one item. But since it's a list, we are going to loop over the list items and loop over the matching deals. Now, let's create the next step. So what we are going to do is that as we are going to send the invite, we are going to update the corresponding deal. So the deal which we are working currently, and we are going to update the stage, and let's also assign the owner at the same time. So we are going to set the new stage to reached out, and we are going to assign the deal owner based on the person who sent the invite. So we are going to use the record attribute last LinkedIn invite sent by to add the deal owner. By the way, getting back to find records here, we can also add another condition just to make sure that we are going to only move the count from the stage to reached out and then move it to reached out. So here I'm adding another condition, like GL stage is to reach out. And that's it. So let's publish this workflow. And let's have a look. So yeah, we got the card here. I'm going to send an invite to Jamie. As I'm doing that, this is going to populate last LinkedIn invite sent and last LinkedIn invite sent by. And going back to the deal flow, I can see that the card has been moved to the next stage. And so yeah, this is how you can basically build automations that are going to automatically update your deal stages based on LinkedIn interactions. You could practically do the same when the invite is accepted or when you receive a reply to your LinkedIn messages. I hope that helps, and happy automation.